And hi everyone, here is Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson behind the screen this time. Okay, so today we will make a global review on Unit 4. Okay, that's the last lesson. So today we will make a global review. Okay, so you can keep that video as the best example if you want to make a review on all the parts of the lesson. Okay, so let's start and take a view on that. So with your book page 44, okay, so you have 4 points, mainly 3 plus 1. Okay, so we will take a look about this. So now I can. Okay, so you can do it normally. Okay, so take a look on that. Say words about dates, the weather, and public holidays. Talk about dates and the weather and public holidays. So it's both the same. Say words and talk about, it's a bit the same. Okay, so we have just one. Number 2, read about the seasons in Thailand and in the United States. Okay, so we will take a look on that. And the last is sing a song. Okay, so you can do that without me because I'm a real bad singer. Okay, so first, if somebody asks you the question, what's the weather like today? You must be able to answer that. What's the weather like today? And talk about the weather. Okay, so first review on that. Next, obviously, the ordinal numbers. Do you remember the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and you continue like this. Okay, so you can make a review with your book page 33 plus, yes, I give you that. About ordinal numbers, I give you that. Okay, so you can take a look. It's around the same as you have in your book, but you have some little things different. Okay, so you can take a look on this and make a review. I think it will be useful for you. Okay, you can see on the right here, you can find the way to say dates with ordinal numbers and use them in many situations. Let's continue. So obviously you can click on pause and make your review properly. Be able means that now you can talk about your days when you go to school, and you can talk about your days off, like public holidays. Okay, so like Songkran or like New Year, something like that. Okay, so you must be able, so you can now read that text and answer a question about a public holiday. Okay, I hope so. And now we can continue with weather and temperature. You remember? So you can repeat that. Weather, temperature. Okay. So in the red rectangle, you have the main questions about the weather. Okay, so if you have a person in front of you and this person asks you, what's the temperature today? How is the weather today? What's the weather like today? You must understand that and be able to answer that. Okay, so you can take a look on that. Obviously, this is the song. Okay, so I will not sing that, but it's useful for the vocabulary. Okay, so take a look on these questions. and try to answer without see the answers. Okay? After that, be able, you can speak about the seasons in the United States. And as we saw together, this is not only in United States. You can find these seasons in France, in United Kingdom, in Germany, in Spain, in Italy, okay, in many countries. Okay, so if you learn that, you can speak about many things all around the world. Okay, so take a look on these pictures and try to answer about what is the season. Okay, so 4 seasons. After that, make a review on the months. Take a look on that. January, February, March, April. Continue. Okay, so 12 months. And something that you know already, you can use both the month and the days. Okay, and practice with ordinal numbers and the weather and the seasons. Like this, you are absolutely ready to speak about many things around the weather, around the seasons, and the days and months. It will be perfect. Okay, so make your review correctly. And as a conclusion, the cherry on the cake, as we can say, the cardinal directions or cardinal points. Okay, so you can make a review on that cross about directions: north, northeast, east, south, east, south, southwest, west, northwest. Take your time because I know it's not easy. Okay, so take your time and continue to learn. Okay, take your time and enjoy what you do. And we can close this lesson. Okay, so unit 4, finish. Next week, we can start the new unit, unit 5. Okay, so we will talk about this together, both in front of the computer and together in the classroom. Okay, so teacher Frank, say goodbye. See you soon. Take care of you and your family. Bye-bye. See you at school.